and good morning. It's another day here in Krabi, and today we are doing something very different and very special. We do this every day, but we have never shot this in the video. So I will be cooking today. I'm making some chicken rice and with some veggies that we had in the fridge. I also wanted to add some mushrooms. Like right now I have tomato, garlic, chicken, and rice. That's what we have, and some cilantro. So we have that. I also wanted to add some mushrooms, but I have thought of making a different dish using the mushrooms. Now we usually don't go for this option, like chicken rice sort of an option, like a heavy option for breakfast. It's usually a lunch option for us, but this time we are doing it. I'm choosing to make this because tomorrow we are doing something really special. It's going to be our anniversary on the day after from today, from when I'm shooting. It's going to be an anniversary and we're going to be completing 5 years together. So we're doing something really special for that. We've already booked some things, and if it pans out and goes well, then we'll also be showing that in the upcoming videos, but more about that later. Right now we wanted to use the chicken and the vegetables that we had in the fridge, so that's why all the things that we'll be making today will mostly be around things that, like, it might not make total sense, but I'm just trying to use all the things that I have. So that was a little bit about it. I've already added some coconut oil, and also usually we are a lot more chaotic while cooking but we had already prepared everything. We've chopped everything, like we sat together and did all of that, and then I thought that maybe I'll shoot this. I'll also show this part of our life today. Nikhil has gone to get us some water. We were out of it, and we have this RO machine downstairs in our apartment with which we can fill like 1.2 liters of water for 1 bath. So that's where we get our water from, which is quite a good deal, because like even if we go to buy the cheapest water bottle, even that is like around 8 or 9 baht for 1.5 liters, and that is when we buy like the bulk pack. So once we buy that bulk pack, and after that we keep filling it from an reverse osmosis machine. Garlic smells so good. I put so much garlic in everything. This is like one whole garlic. Half of it I'm gonna stir fry, and then later on I already made this marination, chicken marination. So I already added half of it in here. It smells so incredible. I'll also let you know what all I added in the marination. This is so exciting. I've never made a cooking video before. Because I never really enjoyed cooking earlier until I started traveling. Then Nikhil started really enjoying my cooking, and I think I like cooking because he enjoys eating what I make. I don't know if that makes sense or not. Like, I don't enjoy cooking because I enjoy cooking, but I enjoy the appreciation and the credit that I get when he likes the food that I make. I don't know. I think that if I am like traveling alone or living alone, I would actually not cook that often. So yeah, it's like kind of a thing that I do. I'm gonna add some tomatoes. This is quite comfortable over here because I'm sitting and cooking, and it's quite comfortable like that. But also I'm sitting and cooking right now because the camera angle wouldn't be good if I don't. And by the way, after this usually I would add onion, but we were out of onion, so I was like, it's okay, let's not order more. So that's why I just added tomato right after garlic. We're gonna let this soften up a little bit. I really hope this turns out well, because like I said, usually this has onion. And onion tastes really good in these kind of things. But I think it'll be fine. Meanwhile I'll tell you what I put in the marination. So this is chicken tenderloin pieces, and I put some of this, like very little. So I wasn't able to get garam masala. So we Indians are used to getting putting a little bit of garam masala, and that makes everything so good. So this is like Chinese five spices powder. So I saw, and I think it is quite similar. Basically this has cinnamon, this has cardamom, and 3 more things. So I thought that this kind of can do the job. So I put a little bit of this. Then I put a little bit of this mushroom flavor seasoning. This is really, really tasty, this one. This is so good. So I added that. Especially for stir fry vegetables, I always put this. This is so good. And then this Thai cooking sauce. It's kind of like soy sauce, but it has like a little bit of like a mushroomy sort of flavor. I don't know how to describe it very well, but this is very good, really nice. And then some white pepper. We already had this. Honestly, I'm a little scared of cooking and shooting because, like I said, I'm already not very good with cooking, and I feel that I can only concentrate on one thing at once. So I don't know if this will turn out as well as I want it to turn out. So yeah, I also added some garlic. So this is all that we have in marination, and half a lemon. Yeah, this is gonna take some time now. It smells so incredible already. Literally, I'm like, if I could make you smell this, you would know what I'm talking about. It smells so good. I think garlic has a lot to do with it. I'm gonna just add all the marinade in here. Don't want to waste anything, even a bit of it. I mean, it doesn't look very aesthetic, but I gotta do what I gotta do. Now I'm thinking I should have ordered onion maybe before making this, because that would have maybe made it just perfect. But that's okay. I think I can make do with what I have. I'm just trying to like shred this chicken a little bit. Not shred it, but just like cut in cube pieces, because these were like tenderloins and I wanted cubes. But it is always like, I don't know if it's a thing or not, but it tastes better when I do it while I'm cooking. When I cut this into small pieces while I'm cooking, I feel like it kind of adds on to the taste. Okay, now so the chicken is like 70% cooked already. So now I'm gonna add some water first and then rice. This is, I think this is one cup rice, a lot of it. I'm just gonna add a little bit of water first, and then ideally I wanted to heat water before I put it in here, but unfortunately the kettle here, it leaks, so I'm a little scared to do that when Nikhil is not here. Nikhil like still uses the kettle, but I am a little scared. I was talking about you. I was saying that I wanted to use the kettle to heat the water so that the cooking doesn't stop midway, but I did not want to use it because it's a little scary for me to use.
It leaks, right?
It leaks. I'm gonna add this chicken cube thingy, nor chicken cube thingy. There's no, I don't know what to call it. Call this recipe, but it's different. I'm sure nobody added these ingredients together in this manner ever. So it's something new. Rice done. Thank you. This one also. Does it not smell incredible?
It does.
I'm gonna put it on a steam setting on this plate. Steam or soup or rice setting. And since we don't have a cover or lid, we're just gonna do this. That's Nikhil's hack. Yeah. So once this is done, I'm just gonna garnish it with cilantro, and it's gonna be amazing, I hope. So that was the recipe. I'm gonna get back once we are serving this now. Let's check this. Wait, hot. Oh, thank you. It looks and smells nice, but
Let me see.
I think those 3 minutes extra that we did not look this for.
No, it's all fine. It's
Fine,
the
right?
pan.
Yeah, it's the
not
pan. I thought so. You wanna try?
No, sir. I'll take the entire bowl. Why is this a big pan?
No, I just wanted to see if the salt and everything is okay. It's okay.
Is it good?
I think so.
Alright.
Come, see.
No, I'm gonna put the
Just a little bit.
It's very nice.
Good,
It's
right?
amazing.
I know. Alright, now we have another thing. I hate that I have to keep sitting to make video. Like,
It's been set up like that.
yeah. So, I made some ginger lemonade to go with it. You can't see it, but you will be able to in a second. So I added this pre-made ginger, and this is ginger and sugar, I think. I'm not quite sure. And I added salt.
It's dripping.
Yes, I saw. On me.
It dripped on you?
Yeah,
Sorry.
it's okay.
I'm trying my best. I don't know why it's dripping like that.
It shouldn't. Can you do it in the
Yeah.
same? I added some salt, some lemon, and some water.
Are you having it from that also?
No, I'm just testing it. I like it. This is really good.
This looks very good.
Smells incredible.
You should put the bottle.
So before before we start shooting, I just wanted to quickly add this BTS of the setup that we have over here.
iPad, tripod, GoPro Volta, and then GoPro.
It's crazy. His idea.
We did not have a tripod. That's where the light is coming from.
I am super impressed. You wanna go crazy? Have a bite.
So good. So good. The chicken, the flavors, the veggies. Everything is perfect. Good job, boo. How you do it? She uses the same ingredients almost every day and makes a different recipe out of it.
Yeah. Even I surprise myself. This is delicious. I don't know how people can recreate this. I really don't know. But that was not the purpose of this video. The purpose was to show you, share with you what we are having over here.
What goes behind?
Yeah, what goes behind the scenes. So this was it for right now. Really hope you enjoyed this little video of me trying to cook And if you like more of it, do let me know in the comments. And if you would definitely not like more of this, then that would be welcomed in the comments too. Let me know that don't make videos like this.
But go easy.
Yeah, go easy. Be sweet. Obviously, that goes without saying. Be kind, be nice. Subscribe to our channel because that really helps, and we'll see you soon.